Hello teachers, today we are going to see about whiteboard.fi, that is whiteboard 5 we are going to explore. Okay, let's go to Chrome, type whiteboard.fi. Okay, yes. If you search, this window will appear. Now we are going to start new class. Here you have to give name for your class or else you can use your own name. Now I'm going to give a subject name. Life skill. If you want to give your mail ID, you can give, but I'm not going to give any mail ID. Okay. Then if you want to enable waiting room, that also you can enable. I'm not going to use any other thing here. Let it be all the settings be like how they are giving. Okay. Now I'm going to create new class. Now creating room. So my classroom got created. So you have to, this is your classroom link. So you have to copy this to your clipboard. You can copy this to your clipboard and you can post it in your school portal or else to their WhatsApp number. However you want, you can post like that. On the spot of the class, you can send it through Zoom chat box. Okay, you can copy paste in the Zoom chat box. Okay, then you have to click on toggle my whiteboard. Toggle my whiteboard. Okay, so now before I'm going to do this, let my student enter here. So I'm going to enter as student. So I have copied the link, right? So now I'm going to paste that link here. So now I'm going to join the room with my name. Okay, I have entered my name. Then I'm joining here. Okay, so as a student I have joined here. Okay, so let me show teachers board. This is how the teachers board will look like. Now teacher can insert a shape of a square or circle, whatever they want. Here you can see two shapes over here. Then this is mouse cursor. If you want to select the image whichever you are entered, no, that you can move here and there, resize it. For that it will be useful. This is color option. This is the pencil option. This is also crayon lines and all. You can use this scale and pencil it is. Okay, next typing option. This A is text. Okay, next is inserting image for matching. And then if you want to make your child to draw any connecting dots and all, in our childhood we used to draw, we used to connect the dots, right? A to Z they will be giving, A to Z they will be giving you. We will connect it and we will come to know what image that is, right? That, like that type of images you can browse and insert here. Then you have to push. Okay, so you can insert a PDF. If you want you can cut, if you want you can copy paste. All these options are there. If you have done any mistake, you can redo it or else you can go back or come back, like that you can do. Then you can zoom in, zoom out, then you can shake the image. Then you can download it as well. Whatever question you have given, that you can download. Then you can delete. Okay, so these are the options here. Then this is the eraser. If you want to see these type of eraser, use the eraser tool or clear for foreground. That means you can clear all the things whichever you have done, scribbled or whatever it may be you have done with your sum wrongly, that you can clear. Or else the background, all background if you want to change, you can clear that. If you want to clear both the background and foreground, you can clear everything using this. Okay, if you want to erase, use the eraser tool, like how we will use the eraser, no, like that if you want to use that also you can use. Now I'm clicking back with the pencil. Now I'm going to insert a picture. I will show you how I will work with. Okay. So I'm going to insert a picture. So now I'm going to insert a picture of matching. Okay. I'm going to insert this picture. So children will be matching. So the size is not that big, right? So if you want to change the size, you have to click on the cursor here, this arrow mark. Then you can change the size. Okay, like this you can adjust the size. However you want, you can adjust the size. Then next what you have to do is you have to push. You have to push it to the students. See, push to students all pages, push to students current page only, push to students as background current page only. Now I'm going to push all pages to all the students. Okay, so now you can see this in my student. That is my this is what I have entered as student as well. No, there also it will be pushed. It will take a minute time, so it will be pushed here. It will be copied to the student board. Okay, so student will do their work. Let me show that also. Let me open students board. So now I'm going to do as a student. Okay, I'm taking a pencil. I'm going to choose a color. Let me take blue. I'm going to match it like this. Okay, so I'm going to do with mistake. So I'm matching with lungs. So now the teacher can see it from her side. So she can see it from her side. Click on it. You can see that she had made a mistake. So actions, you have to click on actions and you can push the teacher whiteboard again. Let her do it again. So like that you can push it. Okay. So this comment and then feedback and then what is this? Enter student live session and then this reaction and all. If you have upgraded, you can use this. Okay, without upgrading, this is how we can use. Okay, so I have given a fresh activity for my student. Okay, then you have to close. Some student will enter little delay. Their internet may be slow, they will enter little delay. If you seeing that their board is empty, you have to, after pushing, it will not appear automatically. If they enter late, you have to click on their board and then push the question, like how I have done. No, you have to click on their board. Their board will be clean, empty. You have to push your whiteboard to student. Okay, this will then only it will appear. Okay, student cannot do that action without your permission. So you can only push your whiteboard. Okay, done. So this is how we can use our whiteboard. Now I'm going to clear this. Yes, I have deleted. Now if you are a math teacher, you can insert the small grid. Small grid also you can use, or else a big grid also. I'm choosing a big grid here. Then I'm going to type. Now I'm going to type 4 1 equal to, they will be answering here. Okay, fine. Next question also you can give 5 2 equal to, they will be answering. Now you can push this to students. So you can push this to all pages students. So it will be pushed to the students board within a minute. Okay, it will take little time, but it will appear on students board. You can see it in the students board, right? So you, like this you can give sums to do the sums and all. Okay, so this is how you can do. Yes teachers, we have done well, but next one is you can take all the slides as PDF. You can save all the whiteboard as PDF. You can save all the whiteboard as PDF. Okay. Enable waiting lobby. Don't do it, because if you want to enable and all, no one will be entering without our knowledge. So don't want to enable this whiteboard lobby. Locking room and enable manual save mode for students. That and all you don't want to touch. Okay. Then you can save it as PDF file. Whatever they have done, they can we can take it as PDF. Okay. Let me typing like this. It is going to save as whiteboard. I will show you that, so you can see that whiteboard is getting downloaded. Let me show it that also to you. See, this is how it will show the students' work. Only Bhuvi has entered. That means myself only entered here. What is the timing? When we have saved the classroom also, it will appear. Okay. All the students' work will appear here. Okay. Fine. But whichever you have deleted, that will not appear. Whichever you have done, no, that worksheet will appear in this PDF. Okay. Yes. So now after finishing this, you have to close the room. Not only you, your students also must, you have to insist all the students to leave the room. Let me show that. You have students should click on it and then leave room, or else in the next class the same question board will appear. If they are not leaving the room, the same question will appear. They cannot see the next subject teacher's work. Okay, next subject teacher's activity they cannot do. So they have to leave room. They have to leave room, or else the students also can save the whiteboard as image. Okay. Yes, they have to leave room. Then only they will be leaving. So teachers also should leave, as well as teachers also should close the room, as well as students also should leave the classroom. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this, teachers.